Alma bought a laptop computer at a store that gave it 20% discount off of its original price. The total amount she paid was P dollars, including 8% sales tax on the discounted price. Okay, which of the following represents the original price in terms of P? So a lot going on here. So let's just say that the original price is X. If you buy something that's 20% off, you take away 20% of X, which leaves you with 80% of X. That's how much you pay. So we will say that the price we paid is going to be 0.8x. On top of that, you have to pay sales tax, which is 0.08 because 8% is 0.08 of that 80%. So you're paying 0.08 of 0.8x. That's awful. On top of 0.8x. So I'm looking at what they have here, and I'm trying to figure out how they want me to. I have to combine these guys, but it's kind of like they don't want me to combine them. Eventually, I have to solve for this x here. So let me see what they kind of want me to do. If I solve for x, right, because I should be able to combine these, but they don't want me to, or do they? I don't know. I mean, it's definitely not these guys. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor out an x. Let me just do that. Factor out an x. P equals x times, and I can also factor out a 0.8. So let me try that. I'm going to factor out a 0.8x. May not be the best way of doing it, but I'm doing it. If I do that, that leaves me with 1 plus 0.08, which is, look at that, I figured it out, which is 0.8x 1.08. If I divide both sides by 0.8 and 1.08, that leaves x all by itself. So my answer is D. So I used a different way of doing this. And a theme in my problems, some of my problems, is it may not be the best way to do it, but, it works out. Most of the time it works out. This time it did.